Today we got ourselves a bit of a sticky situation on the Telluride, so I'm going to show you how sticky the situation is and the pre-wash we're going to use today, and I think it's going to be super effective in the way we use it. So let's check it out. So parked the Telluride under a tree, and guess what? It just rained sap upon us. So all this is actually some weird, strange layer of sap. It was raining, but it wasn't raining like heavy, so it like knocked the tree soot, the sap, just onto the Telluride, and it's just bad. Hopefully we can get it here. We also got some nice bug splatters on there as well for you, but mostly this tree just layer of gunk. Look at this. See how it's stuck on there? You can smear it around, so that's good. It's not like hardened onto the Telluride yet. That's great. You can see this layer of just kind of dirty rain traffic film as well on the sides there. That's what we're dealing with today. Very sticky situation. Got bugs on the front too. Look at this. Just dirty rain, bugs, and tree gunk. So, as you know, we got DIY Hydrate on the Telluride. It's going to help us out being coated, but look at that. I mean, it's just gross. So what are we gonna do to fix the situation? Let's check out this new product, fresh from the UK. Snow Foam V3 from the Garage Therapy. You know Snow Foam V2, one of my favorite snow foams. Heavy hitter. The old formula had delaminine in it, so it really attacked aggressively that sticky stuff that's on the vehicle. So it's gonna be interesting today to test out V3, which they removed the delaminine from. So got a kind of a cleaner burning surfactant formula in a Snow Foam V3. What does that do for you? It does what Moz kind of wants his snow foams to do. And what the UK style of snow foams, what they want, they don't want thick, clumpy, drag off the paint foam. They want foam that's gonna lay out on that paint, dwell for as long as possible, and with the higher grade kind of surfactant formula in Snow Foam V3 now, it's gonna break down all that stuff on the surface, hopefully as effective without that added kind of delaminine, just making it kind of a meaner, cleaner burning formula. Concentration has also been increased, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it today. I'm gonna use a little unorthodox because we got it. In our IK Foam Pro 12 Alkaline, the new formula better fits or makes it work better for the pump sprayer type individual who wants to get the most bang for their buck out of their snow foam. You put it in a sprayer, you don't have all that kind of water over diluting your snow foam. We got it 10-to-1 already pre-diluted in our IK Foam Alkaline, so it's going to be the hardest hitting version of the snow foam, and we should get that snow foam like consistency though from spraying it out of our foamer. So I can't wait to see that. We should see a nice blanket. It should, even if it piles up, the new formula should expand on the paint when it's increased better wetting agents, and then dwell on that surface for longer, breaking down all the sticky stuff we got on the paint, whether it's bugs from the sap to whatever else is in the traffic film. We're going to break it down with Snow Foam V3. Then we're going to hit with the contact wash. For the contact wash, we got Car Shampoo V3. We're going to use 20 mils in our bucket today to kind of supercharge our mitt wash. At 20 mils, it's going to be a little bit more impactful because what we're dealing with today. I'm also using the $2 wash mitt that's on the House of Rags right now. You can get it at the spring blowout sale. $2. That's right. I'm going to use it. I'm going to abuse it. I'm going to toss it. And that's exactly what this kind of wash mitt is designed for right here. So I don't want to get that sap that might come off our vehicle. Even if snow foam breaks down 80%, the 20% we're going to pick up left over with our wash mitt. I don't want that in my washing machine. I don't want that getting on my wash bosses. $2 wash mitt is where it's at when you have yourself quite the sticky situation like this. So that's what we're going to use today in combination with Car Shampoo V3. All right, that's enough talk. Let's get right into it. Foam it down and see what kind of extended dwell time, wetting agent, and emulsification the Snow Foam V3 has for us. You can see it actively pulling something off the surface, whether that's the tree sap or what. It's definitely doing something, breaking up the contamination that we got on the vehicle today. And you can see it's not going anywhere. It sticks, it clings, it's wetting out, it's pulling down, it's emulsifying, it's breaking down, doing its job. Look at that. All that's like coming off the windshield here. So just a heavy layer of like traffic film and tree soot that we're breaking down today. And I just washed this car earlier this week, but one good dirty rain, one little road trip, and one bad parking situation under a tree. And we got a lot of damage done if we don't treat this very quickly and rinse it off the vehicle. So let's give it the rinse and see what's left over. Now you can see the level of contamination on the sides as snow foam is starting to rip through it. And as you rinse snow foam off, it begins to cut through that film. See how contaminated it is. You can see a nasty bug that was on the front got blown off. That's good. And the bug guts that were over here on this window got primarily blown off as well. So you can see there, look at the difference there. Snow foam rinse and not rinsed yet, as that wetting agent wets up the surface, breaks it down, and then we rinsed it off and the hydrophobics bounced right back. So again, car shampoo V3. We're going to use 2 capfuls, about 20 mils. That's going to supercharge us our mitt wash today. Give us a little extra kick. Normally, for maintenance wash, you use 1 capful, about 15 mils for the standard maintenance to medium duty dilution. Foam it up. It's a beautiful thing. Flip and give it a second agitation just for the severity of what was stuck on the car today. Just gonna do that panel by panel. Now we pre-treat it with snow foam and washed with car shampoo. Let's check out the 50/50 here. It should be a well declogged panel. And look at that. So there's you the 50-50 of fully pre-treated and hand wash. Versus just pre-treated with Snow Foam V3. Like I said, it removed a high percentage of our sticky situation, but then we come over with car shampoo to finish up the job, and you're just left with some fantastic results. So that's going to save us today. We're getting kind of a spot-free rinse going on this rainy day. So I'm going to finish hand washing, then we'll rinse and hopefully get it dry before we get a full spot-free rinse. So let's check it out. Little quick detailer to finish things up. So boom, effective pre-wash, Snow Foam V3 is your solution. Whether it's a sprayer, whether it's a foam can, does an excellent job of dwelling, wetting out, breaking down whatever's on that surface. Now with new and improved formula, minus the laminine, improved surfactant mix, you're gonna get some fantastic results. GT Snow Foam V3. Add a little car shampoo to your bucket or a deep cleansing wash mitt. You got a 1-2 punch. That's all I got in this one. Everything will be linked below. We'll catch you on the next one, everybody.